Here is one way you can use these Instagram story highlight icons. I'm going to show you a couple of other ways you can use them as well. Once you're on Instagram, make sure that you've downloaded the icons to your phone first by unzipping the folder and saving these images to your phone. Once you've done that, open up your Instagram, go to your highlight, and then go down here to the right-hand corner and choose More, Edit Highlight, Edit Cover, and choose a new image. So this one, I wanted to give you an example. You want to pinch in and out to make sure that it fits within the circle. And just choose Done a couple of times and close out of it, and you've changed your Instagram story highlight icon. I'm going to show you a couple of other ways you can use these icons. Here are a couple of other ways you can use these icons. I like to use them also for any other social media avatar. So here I have my Pinterest up, and you would just go to Edit Profile and go to your photo and change, and then again make sure that you have the images saved onto your desktop, and then just choose one of the images, and it's really that simple. Done. And then let's go back to check it out. And there you go. So you can use this for any avatar. Pinterest is one way. You can also use it for your Gmail. Basically, you would just go up here to the circle and then choose this photo here. It's a great way to give your avatar a little bit of flair if you don't want to share a picture of yourself. And then I'll go ahead and show you on Etsy. You know, sometimes we leave these things blank, and this is just a great way to spice it up a little bit. Choose File, and hopefully that will get you to thinking of different ways that you can use these icons in your own way. I hope that this helped you. Thanks so much for watching.